Today we're showing you a 2014 New Holland T4.95 open operator station tractor. The tractor was traded in locally. It has approximately 2,900 hours on it. It comes with a 665 TL quick attach front loader. Tires are excellent. I believe these tractors are rated 96 horsepower. Double check the listing, but I believe that's what the rating is. Has a 540 PTO shaft, dual rear hydraulics. Got the external control back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Nice clean tractor yet. It's got a skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Nice heavy duty bucket. The operator station here, you've got the suspension seat, tilt steering wheel, left hand power shuttle, allows you to change direction without clutching. 3 ranges down here plus park gear on the short lever, 4 gears up top here, gives you a total of 12 speeds. Loader control also within easy reach. 3-point PTO and hydraulic controls all over there on the right console. Also has the 4-wheel drive switch there. Over there to the right as well for your 4-wheel drive engagement. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.